Meet RampBot, the first AMR designed to conquer ramps, slopes, and uneven surfaces with ease. Unlike traditional bots stuck on flat ground, RampBot thrives in dynamic environments, navigating up to 15-degree inclines while carrying up to 1,800 pounds of payload. Whether it's moving materials between production zones, assembly lines, or outdoor loading docks, RampBot keeps operations flowing. Equipped with real-time self-leveling technology, it automatically adjusts to keep load stable, reducing damage and increasing safety. Fully OSHA-compliant, it ensures seamless, risk-free transport, indoors and out. With intelligent navigation, adaptive load balancing, and rugged durability, RampBot is built to handle the toughest warehouse and manufacturing challenges. Upgrade your material handling, eliminate bottlenecks, reduce labor strain, and move smarter with RampBot.